Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So I was sitting in a restaurant and I looked at my watch. It was looking very beautiful in the typical lighting conditions of an office or a restaurant which you will occur every day in your life. So I took my phone and shot this video just for you guys. The watch is very beautiful and the camera doesn't do justice to this watch. The watch is really very beautiful. The fit and finish of this watch is so stunning and so beautiful. It's worth wearing it and seeing once. If you have not seen the unboxing and review of this watch, the link is in the description below. Please check it out. You will love this watch. It's a very beautiful Seiko and I'm glad that I bought this watch. I'm still checking the accuracy of this watch. I'll come back to you with proper figures once I've tested it properly. So guys, stay tuned for more such videos, unboxings and reviews. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.